I have job, and I've got not to do my job. But all I can tell anybody that yesterday you must have heard what the governor of Oyo said. Those of you who listen to radio, you must have heard what he said. So this idea of people bragging that they can do without 5 states, which they know, not the ones they don't know. And what they don't understand that this war is like a guerrilla war. There are those you see, there are those you don't see. What you don't know, you don't know. But you must, if you love this party. Luckily for me, I've never left this party one day since 1999. I've never left this party one day. The kind of persons they are. If you say I'm not relevant, I agree. But we'll show who's relevant during the election day and after the election. And let him defend each of 1 billion. He says somebody told him to go and borrow. The presidential candidate told him to go and borrow. When has that become a position that president candidate would advise you to go and borrow money? Why can't you tell people the truth? I'm sorry. I didn't know it was wrong. Yes, somebody gave me money in Lagos. I took the money. Even though the money, he did not tell the National Working Committee. I don't just continue to tell lies. It's not good. It's not good. So that is our position. You have no integrity. In fact, when we were in school, I read the history of the Tivs. Integrity, or not. That's what I read. But if this is what I read, that is a terrible thing. This is not the Tivs I read in history. It's not this one. This one how you eat. No, it's not. This is not the Tivs I know from history. How they are men of principle, how they are men of honor, men of integrity. What they say is what they will do. But his own thief, I don't know where he comes from. I don't know that it's a property. With all due respect to anybody. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.